If you're looking into AimDash AI and wondering whether it's the best just released AI software, you've come to the right place. In this AimDash AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if it's the tool you've been searching for. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next, especially if you're keen on streamlining your processes and tapping into the future of AI. First up, AimDash AI is designed for businesses that want to automate marketing, customer service, and analytics all in one platform. This software has hit the market with the promise of making advanced AI more accessible for companies looking to take advantage of automation without the steep learning curve. Whether you're a digital marketer, small business owner, or startup, AimDash AI brings scalable features that simplify the complexities of AI. Now, let's dive into what you need to know. The first key point is AimDash's intuitive interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The user-friendly dashboard ensures you can jump in right away without wasting time. From automating email campaigns to managing customer interactions, everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Even if you're new to AI, AimDash's interface doesn't overwhelm you with technical jargon. Second, the AI behind AimDash excels in data analysis. It provides deep insights that can help you optimize your marketing strategies and better understand customer behavior. This isn't just a basic analytics tool. AimDash uses machine learning to predict future trends, making it an invaluable asset for businesses that want to stay ahead of the curve. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their decision-making process with actionable data. One of the standout features of AimDash AI is its automation capabilities. You can set up customized workflows that automate repetitive tasks like lead generation, email follow-ups, and even customer support. This saves you time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than handling tedious manual processes. Another crucial point to mention is AimDash AI's flexibility. It's designed to work with a variety of third-party applications and platforms, so you can integrate it seamlessly into your existing workflow. Whether you're using CRM tools, email marketing platforms, or analytics software, AimDash plays well with others, providing a more cohesive experience. If you're worried about security, AimDash AI's robust security measures should put your mind at ease. With end-to-end encryption and secure cloud storage, your data is protected every step of the way. Especially for businesses dealing with sensitive information, this level of security is a must. Now let's talk about customer support. While many AI platforms leave you hanging when it comes to support, AimDash ensures that you have access to 24/7 assistance. Whether it's troubleshooting or just learning how to maximize the software's capabilities, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. You can rest assured knowing that help is available whenever you need it. And finally, one of the best things about AimDash AI is that you can try it completely free through the link below. Yes, that's right. You can get hands-on experience without committing to anything upfront. This is a huge advantage because it gives you the opportunity to see for yourself whether AimDash AI is the right fit for your business before spending a dime. So, should you try AimDash AI? With its intuitive design, powerful analytics, and automation features, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to leverage AI in their business. Whether you're looking to improve marketing efforts or streamline operations, this software offers real value. If you're interested, check out the free trial through the link in the description below. And don't forget, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've also listed my recommended AI software in the description that you can try for free. You don't want to miss out on these tools that can truly help take your business to the next level.